Hello sir, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you how to transfer your website to GoDaddy and import your website. So in this transfer we need to take 3 steps, and the first step is we need to install the WordPress CMS on our hosting. Then the second step is install the all-in-one WP migration plugin on WordPress CMS. That means we need to go the admin area, then go to the plugin option and install the all-in-one WP migration plugin on our WordPress website. Then we can import or export the website. So first of all, I am showing you this is our website, and we need to transfer this website to another web server. So first of all, we need to go our dashboard. You can see here, this is our dashboard area, and then we need to go the plugin option. You can see here and add new, and here the search option. So first of all, we need to type the name all-in-one. You can see I just type the all-in-one, and right now you can see the three option is all-in-one WP migration, move, transfer, copy, migrate, and backup a site with one click. And it is very simple and top plugin for website transfer. You can see here 4 million active install. So I have already activated this plugin. So right now you can see here all-in-one WP migration option here. So I'm clicking the all-in-one WP migration, and now you can see the export option is here. So also we can export, then we can import, and we can create a backup file of this server. So in this situation we need to create a backup, we need to create a export. So I'm clicking the export as a file, and the complete backup file is creating. You can see here the work is progress right now, and our complete backup file is successful. So you can see we can download the backup file. So I'm clicking, and the download file is progressing to save our computer. So we need to wait until the file is completely download. So we have successful download the website backup file. So right now we need to apply the same method and step. First of all, we need to install the WordPress CMS on our web server. Then we need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin on WordPress CMS, and then we can import or export. So I'm going to my cPanel as a demo purpose. Log into control panel, and you can see we have already on the control panel. So this is the search bar. You can see here, in this search bar you need to type only WordPress, and you can see the WordPress soft tabulars has been here, and this is CMS and software, you can see here. So click on it, and right now you can see here WordPress management dashboard. So first of all we need to install, so click the install button, and I can choose the URL and domain name. So as a demo I am choosing the 𝘧𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘥𝘦𝘳, and the directory is your name, Mark, and you can see the protocol has been HTTPS, then the domain name and the last directory, and the page software CMS, WordPress CMS version, the latest version. Then you can type the username, so I'm giving the admin name, and the password is 20202020, and scroll down. The last one you can see here, install button, so I'm clicking, and the installing has progressed, you can see here. So right now we have completely installed the WordPress CMS on our web server, and this is the link. So I'm opening a link to check the website, you can see here 𝘧𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘥𝘦𝘳, and then your name here, and this is the demo website, blank website. So the second step is we need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin on our WordPress CMS. So I'm typing after the domain WP admin, then enter, and you can see the dashboard, login dashboard here, and we need to include the username and password. So our username is only admin, and the password is 20202020. Then click the remember option, then login, and you can see we are logged in our new WordPress website. So first of all we need to go the plugin option, and search the all-in-one, and our plugin is here. So click the install, and then active, and you can see the only one plugin has been here, but we don't need any kind of another plugin. So go to our import option, we don't need to export, because first we have export the site on our computer. So right now we need to import the uh, website on this domain. So I'm clicking the import option, and you can see the option is here. So I need to drag and drop the file here. So I'm dragging this file, you can see here I'm dragging, and just put it down on this server, and you can see the uploading has progressing on this web server. So you can see our complete backup file has been uploaded on our website. So the next step is, and the last step is, we need to click the proceed button. So I'm clicking, and right now the whole backup file has preparing and restoring on the server, and you can see the 30% has complete and our site has been imported on the server, you can see. So I'm clicking the finish button and reload this page, and you can see the new admin area and the new URL. So click the go to the main domain, and you can see here your our main domain is 𝘧𝘰𝘶.net Denmark, and the complete website has been transferred on this website. So in this way you can import and export this website on any kind of web server. Thank you. And if you have any kind of question, please let me know.